Hey everyone, understanding your customer's journey is key to driving better results with your ads. Today we are diving into how you can use Google Analytics to optimize your Google Ads campaigns. In today's world, customer doesn't follow a single linear path. They research across multiple devices and platforms. So, how do you ensure you are delivering ads that meet their expectations? The answer lies in linking Google Analytics and Google Ads. When connected, these tools work together to provide deep insights into how your ads are performing and, more importantly, what happens after someone clicks on them. By linking Google Ads to Google Analytics, you can see how well your ads are driving conversions, not just click. This means instead of guessing, you can make data-backed decisions to adjust your ad creative for better performance. It's all about creating a smarter marketing that leads to more conversions. Now let's talk about optimized building. Once connected, you get access to detailed reports about your Google and campaigns right in your analytics account. For example, you might discover that certain keywords are bringing in more conversions. With the insight, you can adjust your bids to focus on the high performing keywords, maximizing the impact on your budget. Here's where it gets even better: customized messaging. When analytics and ads are linked, you can create targeted audiences based on specific behaviors. For example, you can target people who abandoned their cart on your website. With Google Ads, you can craft a tailored campaign aimed at these potential customers, bringing them back to complete their purchases. Now, let's make it one step further: advanced machine learning. Google Analytics uses AI to answer key questions about your audience's behavior. You can even ask in plain language like how much time are mobile users spending on my homepage and get an answer in seconds. Analytics also has smart lists which help you identify your most valuable customers. Then you can adjust your Google Ads campaigns to target these high value users, getting more bang for your buck. By linking Google Analytics and Google Ads, you are setting yourself up for more targeted, data-driven campaigns. Whether it's adjusting bids, creating custom audiences, or using machine learning to optimize your campaigns, this integration has it all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and optimizing your digital marketing strategies.